we've decided we're gonna do this trip in the river here because everybody would get seasick if we decided to go out in the ocean today. It's starting to blow pretty good, as you can see how I'm dressed here. Stuff for when it's windy because I'm a Florida baby. But we've got a great crew with us this morning. It's his birthday. This guy right there. And we're gonna see what they catch. Hopefully he gets the biggest fish. But my money's on one of those ladies right there because that's who always gets the biggest fish on the boat. Stay tuned.
Let him run. Yep. What? A little bit more. All right.
You want the net, babe?
No, just hold on. Yep, there we go. Okay. Oh, no, you just keep it tight. Keep reeling. Try to control his head by
walk up there so you don't.
Yep, oh, he's going to them. Let's walk.
Oh, I see him. Go around the motor with him.
He's gone.
Fingers now, Steph.
Did they hurt?
Yeah, like a shit.
Put your finger in there.
And then I'll hold him like that.
What do you got, Corey?
Oh, sheephead.
Oh, yeah. Walk to the back of the boat, sweetheart. Reel.
Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Keep reeling. There you go. Where'd he go?
Keep it. Okay.
There you go.
Yep, keep it
You
tight.
got one too, Steph? Oh, boy. The girls are just kicking their butts today. You got a...
Yeah, y'all gonna
you
get
got
it?
another
It's
lady
here,
fish.
get it!
All right, let me get that net. What she got, Corey?
Oh, she's got a good one.
Woo!
Nice, guys.
Let's go with nuts. I want to get. I want to see what she's got here.
A nice redfish.
You want to need a net?
No, I'll grab one here. He's too little anyway.
You sure?
He's right there, Phil. Right, don't reel no. One more. There he is. All right.
Oh, wow. I think it's a different one because it looks like different spots.
He's a little bit bigger.
Can you let that string go?
Yeah. He's still, you know what's crazy? He's got the three
Three on the one side.
Three on
It
the.
does. They're in the same family.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna have to go to the bow because he's going around the boat. We got a trolling motor over there. There we go.
I get it. We got two, right?
This is my fourth
I
fish.
so I went to reel and it was
Nice one. Don't reel no more.
wheel.
Now turn it kind of the rod this way. I'll turn his head.
You might just want to go to the bow. We have a trolling motor up there.
Yep.
And you just don't want to, yep. There you go. You got to go around it, yeah. Or maybe you can make him come back. You think it's another one of them ladyfishes?
No, it's a redfish or something. He has it in surf.
Oh, it's a jack. He's got the jack crevalle. Which way you want me to get it? I'll take it from you right here. Did he come off? Oh, keep reeling. I think it's there. I wonder what this one is. It's fighting a little different, isn't it? Oh, I saw it.
Another
oh, no,
redfish.
damn!
All right, girl.
She's like the redfish chapper. Oh! I think you got the biggest fish so far too.
Oh, that last redfish. He's only got 2.
Well, that was fun, guys. We got a couple redfish and a few sheepshead and a couple ladyfish, so we had a little bit of action. And a couple jacks. So that's what you do when you're fishing in the river on these windy days. Right, babe?
It was hard, but we did it.
So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, the comments, and share, all that jazz. We appreciate you guys.
Thanks, guys.